got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, recoil activated video, reticle type, color of the reticle, profile, zero in, and then settings. So I want to zero in then, press, select our 50-meter profile, then zero in, and then all I do is adjust my X and Y axis. This is for my 0 at 50 meters. Once I've done that, all I do, press and hold the menu button, save successfully, and I'm back to where I started. As you can see, we've shot a nice tidy group into the rabbit's head, target of the rabbit head.